Hey, what's up you guys? I am back with another video, and of course I'm in my bathroom, so you know it's wash day time. The products I'm using today is Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil designed for natural hair. And the first time I heard that Revlon had products for natural hair, this made Revlon. Revlon? I was like, what the hell? I didn't even know like Revlon would sell natural hair products. However, you know, people coming up with so many things like Cantu with gel and stuff like that, like Cantu. But anyway, so I'm going to use those products today, and I'm going to show you guys how I complete my wash day, how I set up my hair. Is no specific style, it's just me washing my hair and how I set it pretty much for the entire week with my LOC method or LCO method. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah. See you guys in the video, and this is actually also a review, so I'm going to switch up the style a little bit so you can check it out and let me know what you think in the comments.
And that is definitely how my wash day usually starts. I jump in the shower and I'm super tired, so technically I just begin to rinse my hair, wet my hair, and I stay under the shower for a good while trying to get my hair soaked. You know, my hair doesn't take that long to get wet. So yeah, once that is completed, and this is the most therapeutic part of my shower, to get it wet and your water is pretty warm, warm to hot, because now you're gonna shampoo, so it could be, you know, and enjoying the Thotiana song. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair with the Revlon Realistic designed for natural hair shampoo. It's very, very creamy, and apparently it is supposed to strengthen my hair, leave it moisturized, and it did just that. And it smells pretty good too, as you can see the expression on my face. However, I felt like I needed a lot to feel like my hair was actually washing. I kept going and reaching for the shampoo to fill my hair more and more with shampoo to get it even to this much suds. Then I went ahead and used my scalp massager to clean and give me a good deep clean to ensure that my scalp is really, really clean, and to get those, you know, to get my blood flowing. And I went under the shower and I gave that a good rinse. And the reason for me washing my hair in twists is specifically because it keeps my hair detangled throughout my entire process, especially the shampooing process, because shampooing will cause my hair to tangle with the warm water. So yeah, that's my reasoning. However, all in all, the shampoo is non-drying. As you can see on the screen, it has a light scent, definitely sulfate-free, hence the reason for the suds is not too much, and it definitely did clean my scalp after using so much product. So that would be one of the downsides to me using this shampoo, is the fact that I had to use so much to get the result that I wanted. However, my hair felt super clean at the end, and this was a really good wash day for me because I stayed in the shower for the entire time throughout my wash day, except at the end, and you will see that from my leave-in. So now I'm going to continue to rinse this out. Make sure the suds and all of the shampoo is out of my hair. Because of the twist, I want to ensure that I run my hands down the shaft of the hair. Now on to conditioning. The conditioner is a really good conditioner, but boy, they needed to put this in a tub because I had to open it up and squeeze the conditioner out because it was not coming through that pump. It took forever. I needed to get a good blob of that, you know what I mean? Not a dime size amount Revlon. I needed a scoop. So this is why I opened it and I decided to use it. Now to put my deep conditioner on, which they don't have a rinse out conditioner, they only have this deep conditioner. I have to loose my twists to get my twists to get the conditioner on my hair properly, so that I can now start my detangling process and making sure my hair stays detangled. And then I'm going to do this throughout my entire head and ensure that the conditioner is on each and every strand, and twist her up to keep her detangled. That's the biggest thing with helping with breakage. You don't want to always have tangled hair to have breakage. So as I continue to coat my strands with this deep conditioner, yes, girl, I put them on the wall because I don't want to drop them in my drain. And also when I do that, it kind of helps me monitor exactly how much hair is shedding. So when I see that it's like a lot, then I know I have some stuff to do. So all in all, we have the conditioner stats, and these are the things that I didn't like or did like. I liked that it was thick, the scent was light, the fact that it had a lot of slip, and I did not like the packaging. So yeah, now we're gonna put on our plastic bag and do some stuff around the house and wait about 30 minutes and rinse this out. Ooh, my hair is soft. My hair is soft.
All right, so now that my hair is all rinsed out, I'm gonna go in while my hair is wet with their strengthening buttercream, and they also have on it leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna use this as my leave-in, but I'm not gonna style it. I'm just gonna do my regular twist, and then I'm gonna add some oil afterwards. Okay, so that'll pretty much be my LCO method. I'm gonna use this much on this section. This is nice and thick. You go in with some oil. I'm going with like a mixture of oils that I have here. It's a mixture of castor and olive oil and a little bit of tea tree oil for itchy scalp. Just gonna go in and we're gonna twist this up, okay? Twist that section up. It smells like, it smells almost, it doesn't really smell like natural hair products to me. It has more of like a, maybe like a Revlon, like a typical perm hair product smell, but it's not like full of alcohol or anything like that. It smells good. It's very light though, it's nothing too strong. My hair is very defined. My hair is very, very detangled, feels good, feels clean, feels soft. Okay guys, so I'm very much completed with my wash day. I've already added my oil, my leave-in, and everything. The products I use seem to be very good, actually. They're very good. I totally enjoyed the strengthening buttercream, but they also have underneath there that it's a leave-in conditioner. I totally enjoyed this. It's not too thick, not too thin, not too runny. It's a really, really good product, and to be honest with you, I think that product would actually do well for twist outs and stuff too. So maybe when I take these down, they may actually look really good. But yeah, so basically from a scale to 1 to 10, I would say that the realistic brand Revlon is maybe on the scale of a 7. I won't go higher than a 7 for different reasons as such, like they just have a shampoo and a conditioner. I did not see a regular conditioner. They call it an intense strengthening conditioner. So it's pretty much like a strengthening line. It's not a moisturizing line, but it doesn't make my hair feel dry or anything like that, the shampoo or anything. So for a strengthening product, it actually makes my hair feel really good. For my hands to run through my hair after, during wash day, when I wash and stuff like that, I would honestly give this product a thumbs up. And it actually did shock me with the results. But throughout the video, hopefully you guys got a total good understanding as to how these products worked. Like that, let me know how you feel about it just by watching the video. Also, leave a comment. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you like more relaxed style videos like this, you can let me know. I feel a lot more relaxed right now in this video. I don't feel too poised or, you know, so I feel pretty relaxed, and that's a good thing. So yeah, let me know what you think about it, and yeah, see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.